Time farmer I lukautin place kakaruk. I must was good long all. Long one I got plenty all heavy I sabe come up na bagarapin all kakaruk. One pella belong all this pella heavy and drought. Drought and time belong big pella sun. Na wara na kaikai belong garden I sabe so. That's all this pella I no can stop him farmer long lookout him kakaruk good. This pella video by showing some pella road farmer it can behind him long lookout him good kakaruk belong him. Long time belong big pella sun. Number one something farmer he must make him and long mark him all kakaruk. He got good pella traits. Traits him or good pella something is start long kakaruk where farmer is sabe like him. Na some pella belong all size, heavy, color, strong, na good pella mama kakaruk. All this pella kakaruk must no get sick or bagarap long body belong all. Long helping farmer he look sabe good long all this pella he must second good all this pella hap belong body belong kakaruk. Come must he got good pella color na no got sua. I no can bagarap na look good. Mouse must good pella long kisim kai leg must strong long walkabout na he can help him man kakaruk long kalapi meri kakaruk na all get the hap belong skin must inogat bagarap. Time farmer he marking or kakaruk pinis. Alright, and he must put him all inside long good pella house. Time farmer he put him all kakaruk pinis inside long good pella house. He got some pella something he must look sabe na make him long help him long look out him kakaruk belong him. Number one, ready plenty kai belong kakaruk na look out him good long one pella hap where he can stop long pella time. Number two, a good pella long look out him lik number belong kakaruk also one pella man na name long 5 na 10 pella meri kakaruk. Number three, by mama kakaruk ikarem kiau farmer he can salim long kisimani or kaikai. This pella by stop him no pella kakaruk long come up na give him heavy long kaikai na wara. Number four, time kaikai na wara is start long he go soft alright farmer he can salim or kaikai some pella kakaruk na look out him lik number tasol enough long one pella man na 2 pella meri kakaruk. Number five, time kaikai I pinis all geta farmer he can kill him all keta kakaruk na kaikai or salim na kisimoni or give him long nara pella farmer long look out him na he can kiss him back long time big pella son he finish. This pella video is showing finish or good pella ting na road belong look out in place kakaruk long time belong big pella son. Inside long this pella he got 2 pella big pella something farmer he must sting him na making. Number one something farmer he must mark him or kakaruk he got good pella traits. Traits him all good pella something is start long kakaruk where farmer is sabe like him. Number two, farmer he must be behind him or good pella road belong look out him lik number belong kakaruk enough long time belong big pella son he finish.